What we have here today is the Ryobi 10-inch table saw, and we're going to be taking a look at its contents to see what we got. Looks like I've got a crack here on the phone. We have I don't know what this is. I'll have to look into that, find out what that is. I don't even know how it's used. And I've got the handy dandy manual. Looks like I'm gonna have to be doing some reading. And the rest, I think I got it upside down, but I'm gonna have to pull off the styrofoam and see what we have inside here. So I pulled off the styrofoam, or at least some of it, and to reveal some more contents, I'm going to take a look inside this box here, see what we got. It looks like a protective shield here, and it looks like a guide to help you keep it straight. And I don't know what this thing's called either, but help me get proper angles there, some sort of device. And a push stick. Oh, it's got a nice little push stick. To push stuff. That's awesome. A giant flat wrench for wrenching stuff. Another wrench, maybe? That's another wrench. Oops. And looks like one of the, looks like a turny thing with a screw, 2 screws and an Allen wrench. Alright. Anything else in here? I think that is all the pieces. I'm going to see if I can put this thing together. So here it is outside of the box. Looks like pretty sturdy. I mean, this part here is plastic, but it should be strong enough there. I don't think there'll be any issues. To figure out what this is all for. And over here we have all of our contents laid out. Looks like it's pretty simple to put together. So for the handle, it looks like you just have to unscrew here. I'm going to insert it right here. Put the nut in first, then twist that into place. It locks in the back so you don't have to hold it, and then just screw it in from there. There you go. So what I want to do now is to take these two tools here and make sure we are tight. The opening goes on the inside here. Easier said than done. This one goes here. And just make sure it's completely tight. And it is very tight. So next we want to open up this, and we do that by pulling this lever upward. And that should allow us to move that up one lever with these holes here. Then I'll lock that back in place so it doesn't move. I'll replace the cover. Snap it into place. And then I will take the guard here and I want to get placed on the center hole. This little thing here I want to place on the center. And open that lever up so that it is parallel to the table. Then I will lock it back in place. Just like so. I want this black part going parallel to the table here, straight across. This here is called Anti-Kickback Paw. So to insert this, you have to push on this lever here, and if you look right in between there, you can see it get thinner when you push it in. And so you're going to push that in, and then you slide it into the back hole here. Again, easier said than done. There you go. Put that in place. Just pull on it, make sure it's secure, so that you know that you got it in all the way. So next we have these couple of screws here, and I'm just going to insert them inside these holes here. And all I need is just a simple Phillips head screwdriver. And if you look closely, you can see that they have a little guide there, so it'll stop you from going in all the way. And that will serve as a holder for your guide. Just push it forward into place. Locks right in. And lastly, we have the miter gauge and the rip fence. And these can go in pretty easily. You can put them on either side here, depending on your preference, but basically they just gonna slide right in. If you want to tighten it, just turn that real simple. You can place it anyhow. And same goes for this. So I'm gonna clamp this to the back first. And then lock it in place. And you can move them however you need. So that is basically it as far as assembly. I'm looking forward to putting it to use. And that is the Ryobi 10-inch table saw. Thank you for watching.